हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्राइवेट इक्विटी, हेज फंड एंड द वेंचर कैपिटल। अपार्ट फ्रॉम द स्टॉक एंड बॉन्ड, other investment options offer a greater return in the world of investment. Private equity, hedge fund, and the venture capital are three such paths. Let us learn about the similarities and the overlaps between them. Here coming with the private equity. So what do you mean by the word private equity? Private equity involves investment in private company or taking public company private. Private equity firms pool the fund from investor and buy a stake in this company. The aim is to enhance their value through strategies like restructuring or optional improvements, ultimately selling for profits. So these are the private equity. Now coming to the next, that is the hedge fund. So hedge fund are the investment fund that pool money from the various investor and use various strategies like leveraging derivatives and alternative assets to generate the high return. They are managed more aggressively and flexible than traditional fund and can be used for short selling, leverage and derivatives. These funds are not only open to accelerate investors and institutional due to their complex and the high risk nature. Now, next will be the venture capital. Venture capital is also known as the funding provider to the early age startup with a high growth profit potential. Like venture capital is also known as the VC firm जो invest करता है invest money in the startup in exchange for equity, aiming to help their grow by offering support and guidance. VC firm take on higher risk compared to the traditional investor in exchange for potentially higher return. So these are the things that are included in VC, that is venture capital. Now here we will see the difference between the three, like equity, private equity, hedge fund and venture capital. Features like we talk about the investment targets, mature private company. In the private equity, hedge fund, public traded security, derivative, etc. and venture capital for early stage startup. Now we talk about the investment size, like larger investment, $1,000 million plus, and it is very greatly, and venture capital include small to medium. Risk profile moderated to high risk, and it is having the hedge fund high risk, and venture capital contain very high risk. Talking about the investment in non-public assets. Private equity, yes, investing in non-public asset, hedge fund also, and venture capital also. So these are the differentiate between the three. Hope you understand what is a private equity, hedge fund, and venture capital. For me, more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.